Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. This one has me so excited to share. As we start to get into August, the slow work from home job will start to ramp up. We are running into that back to school, and then right behind the back to school is going to be the holiday season. So this is the ramp up period where companies are going to be hiring seasonal jobs, and some of those can turn into full-time jobs. But Amazon, the big retailer giant Amazon, they always have work from home jobs available. However, customer service and some of those less techy jobs are very hard to come by. But right now, Amazon is hiring seasonal part-time customer service associates. Now, this is a United States only, and they only hire in select states. Those states are right here at the top of the description, and of course this will be linked in the description box below this YouTube video. There are actually a lot of states listed, so there are only going to be select states that they don't hire from. They are looking for someone to work part-time schedule with varying hours. An average of 20 to 29 hours will be required weekly, and during their peak periods of high volume, they could possibly increase that up to 60 hours per week for short periods of time. And it says the schedule could fall any day of the week, morning, afternoon, evenings, or weekends. But if you want to get working from home with Amazon, if you want to get your foot in the door, this is the way to do that. So, of course, answering phone calls and customer service with Amazon is all about supporting the customer's issues, such as helping them track down late packages, damaged items, returns, refunds, anything you can think of that you would personally call Amazon for. That is what other people are needing help with. The majority of the time will be spent on the phone, but you can also be assigned to support email and support chat. So just know it's a possibility you will not be on the phone the entire time. Now, of course, Amazon is such a big company. They pay a standard $15 an hour for the hours worked, but they do have some pretty good perks, including they provide you all the equipment you need, desktops, headsets, including scheduling shifts, taking customer contacts. You'll need a headset. They are going to provide you all that equipment, so you don't have to have anything. All you need is internet access. So this is great for those of you who don't have a home office already set up. When they do offer the additional hours and overtime pay is 1.5 times the base rate. They also offer an employee discount. Who would not want an Amazon discount? And of course, they have paid time off as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments, because I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.